Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Architecture Master Series. If you want the full roadmap, then hit the playlist from the start. With that said, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine you hide your house key under the doormat. Convenient? Yes. Secure? Definitely not. Now imagine developers storing Azure passwords inside application code. Unfortunately, this still happens. Today you'll learn how Azure completely eliminates this problem using managed identity. Applications constantly connect to Azure services. They need to access Azure SQL, storage accounts, Key Vault, Service Bus, Cosmos DB. But Azure asks one simple question: who are you? Applications also need an identity. Traditionally, developers stored usernames and passwords inside configuration files. This works until someone accidentally uploads the code to GitHub, or someone steals the credentials. Architects avoid this completely. Managed identity is an automatically managed identity created by Azure. Instead of storing passwords, Azure assigns a trusted identity directly to your application. The application simply says, "I'm application A." Azure already knows who it is. To find system-assigned identities, navigate directly to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Open the left expandable navigation sidebar, expand Identity, and select Enterprise Applications. Next, choose the All Applications Directory View submenu option. Click on the Filter option tool, set the application type to Managed Identities, and click Apply. You can now view the explicit system identity service principals tied directly to your hosted cloud components. Think of a company employee. They don't carry a list of passwords to enter every room. They simply use their employee ID card. Managed identity works exactly the same way. The application's identity becomes its digital employee badge. A system-assigned managed identity belongs to one Azure resource. If the resource is deleted, the identity is deleted too. It's perfect when the identity is needed only by that specific resource. A user-assigned managed identity exists independently. Multiple Azure resources can share it. This is useful when several applications need the same permissions. Our shopping API needs a database password. Instead of storing it inside code, it accesses Azure Key Vault using managed identity. No passwords. No secrets in code. Far more secure. Banks rarely allow passwords inside applications. Instead, the banking API authenticates using managed identity. Azure verifies the identity and grants access only to the approved resources. Service principals require administrators to manage secrets or certificates. Managed identity removes that burden. Azure handles credential rotation automatically. This reduces risk and simplifies operations. Large enterprises use managed identity everywhere. Applications running in AX, App Service, or Azure Functions authenticate securely without storing credentials. This has become the recommended Azure security model. Architects love managed identity because it removes an entire category of security problems. No passwords. No secret rotation. Less maintenance. More security. Now you've learned how Azure secures both people and applications. People use Microsoft Entra ID. Applications use managed identity. RBAC controls permissions. Together, they form the foundation of Azure security. Managed identity gives Azure applications their own secure identity. Applications authenticate without storing usernames or passwords. It's one of the safest ways to build enterprise cloud solutions. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, the Tech Mechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.